In today's episode, we're exploring the intersection of technology, creativity, and humanity. And we're getting into the topic that's been generating a lot of hype lately, AI. More specifically, I want to address a common fear that many people have. Will AI replace me? So just to get that out the way, spoiler alert, AI will not replace you, but the person using AI will. Welcome to the Elevate Your World podcast. This podcast is for anyone who wants to take their business to the next level. Each episode tackles a topic relevant to entrepreneurs and those looking to start a business. I share tips and tricks on how you can grow your business, find success, and elevate your life. I am your host, Jules. To kick things off, let's talk about what AI really is at its core. AI consists of algorithms and systems designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding natural language, recognizing images, and even making complex decisions. It's a powerful tool, and as it continues to evolve, some fear that it could replace their jobs or diminish their creative contributions. It's critical, though, to remember that AI is ultimately a tool, a sophisticated one for sure, but it's just a tool. Think about it. A hammer doesn't replace a carpenter, does it? Instead, it's an instrument that can help the carpenter build something amazing. And in a similar vein, AI can enhance our abilities, streamline processes, and empower us to achieve much, much more. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, job displacement. Yes, some tasks may be automated, but here's where the narrative shifts. AI excels at augmenting human capabilities. For example, rather than writing reports from scratch, AI can help you generate ideas, outline your thoughts, or even provide data analysis. It's like having an assistant on steroids. And that's freeing you up to focus on higher level thinking and creativity. Simply put, those who adapt and learn to use AI will be the ones leading the charge. Think of industries like design and marketing, where AI tools are now doing the heavy lifting in data analysis, allowing creatives to focus on the bigger picture. So how do we embrace this change? It starts with a mindset shift. Instead of fearing AI, we should treat it as an opportunity for growth. Continuous learning is essential. By upskilling and understanding how to use AI tools, individuals can enhance their professional value. Consider investing time in online courses, workshops, tutorials that can help you understand AI applications in your field. Remember, the difference between someone who can use AI effectively and someone who can't will determine professional success in the near future. Let's take a quick look at some real-world examples of how AI is being used in various industries. So starting with healthcare, AI is helping radiologists analyze medical images, catching potential issues faster than ever before, and supporting doctors' decisions. 2, marketing. Brands are using AI tools to personalize customer experiences, analyze consumer trends, and optimize their marketing strategies, all while keeping the creative human touch alive. And 3, education. AI tutors are being developed to assist students in learning at their own pace. Teachers can focus on fostering creativity and critical thinking rather than spending too much time on simple tasks. So what does this mean for you, the creative individual or professional? It means understanding that your unique experiences, insights, and emotions cannot ever be replicated by AI. It's your human touch, your creativity, problem-solving ability, and empathy that will always set you apart. There's a saying, tools don't make you better, how you use them does. So embrace AI, learn how to utilize it, and continue owning your skill set. Right, before we wrap up today's episode, I encourage you to reflect on how you can start incorporating AI into your work, your workflow, your creative process, and what tools can you explore? How can you leverage this technology to enhance rather than replace? Thank you for listening to this episode on AI. If you visit our website, elevatestudio.uk.com/resources, there is a ton of stuff there now on artificial intelligence. We've got courses, ebooks, blog articles, videos, everything there to help you on your journey. Remember, AI is here to assist and you are irreplaceable. So stay curious and keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity. Until next time, keep elevating.